We are back at the smoke alarm section once again. So here's all the alarms they have. You know what? I usually start over here. I think I'm going to start with the BRK section. So let's take a look at what we got here. We have a BRK SMCO 110. These units right here. Here we have another SMCO 110. All SMCO 110s. Here's an SMICO 100 AC, an SM 100 VAC, an SMI 100 AC, SMI 100, SMI 100 AC, SMI 100, and then we have the BRK HD 6135 FB heat alarms. We have a lot of these. So yeah, these are still in production. It's just these aren't really well known. Not a lot of people install them. And then moving down a row, another SMICO 105 AC, SMICO 100 AC, SMI 105 ACs. This one's open. Yeah, I'll seal that off camera. SMI 105 AC, SMI 100 ACs, SMI 100s, or SMI 110s. And then down here we have the contractor packs. Last time I was here, they had an SC9120B contractor pack. It looks like that's gone. So look at all these in the back here. Here is this. Here's a contractor pack right here. This is a BRK SMICO 100 AC contractor pack. And these, if you see these on eBay with this sticker slapped on them, on the top of them, they probably got it at Lowe's or something. There's another one of the same pack, SMI 105 AC 6-pack. As you can see, same exact one, just smoke only. SMICO 100 AC, SMI 100 AC, SMI 100 AC, SMI 100 AC, SMI 100, SMI 110s. That's kind of interesting. They usually don't have battery operated bulk packs. And then the fire extinguishers down here. And now let's go to the first alert section. So starting over here, we have the First Alert Z combo, 3rd gen in the front. Oh, come on, you only have 3rd gen? No? Okay, so I guess this thing is up for sale. I guess it's gonna vanish next time I come here. SM500 Vs. SMCO 500 Vs. Oh, there's one with the older packaging when Precision Detection came out. These ones are the new packaging, as you can see. Another SMI 100, SMI 100, SMI 105 AC. Is this an older one? No. A lot of these are the newer versions. SM 100 VAC, SM 500 V, SM210M, SM210L, SM210L, yeah, SM210L, CO615, CO710, GCO1, and then down here we have an SMCO210V. Looks like this one was returned. Yeah, SMCO210Vs. Another SMI 100, SMI 105 AC, SMI 105 AC, SMICO 105 AC, SM210L, SM210V, voice version, battery backup, CO600, CO606, CO606, CO615. So this belongs over here. CO606, GCO1. If you look here, these are the multi-packs SMCO210 multi-pack. SM210, this is an older version. SMI 100 AC. SM210, SM210s. The 2-pack of the CO alarms, 606, 606, 400, and then another CO 606. And then down here we have the SMCO210s, whatever the hell this thing is. SMI 100 AC. And then more SMCO210, more SM210s. And then more CO alarms here. 400, 606, and then 400. And then an SM210. What the hell is a CO400 doing here? Okay. SMCO100. SMICO100. SMICO100. SM210s all across the board. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, yeah, smoke alarm section at Lowe's. There you have it.